professionals or the students, they install so many apps in their phone, and it is quite possible once you install the apps, you get a bulk of notifications after that. So you can manage the notifications. My name is Chandan. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. If you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video. So let's start our video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. For that, go to settings again. Go to notification and status bar and click on the manage notification. And here you get the list of all the app you have installed, and from here you can choose from which app you want to receive the notification and from which app you don't want to receive the notification at all. In my case, if I don't want to receive the notification, say from the Facebook, so I will turn it off. I will never get the notification from Facebook. So some of the apps which you want to use in your phone, but you don't want the notification from those apps, you can certainly manage the notification to enable this feature, and you can get less distraction if you are a working professional or a student. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.